Hi everyone, and welcome back to Flow Migration Law. I'm Jay, your principal migration lawyer. A question that many aspiring partner visa applicants ask is, can I lodge this application myself, DIY style, or do I need to hire a migration lawyer? It's a very valid question, and the answer isn't always straightforward. Today, we're going to have an honest discussion about the pros and cons of both approaches to help you make an informed decision that's right for you. Let's get into it. So let's first talk about the do-it-yourself or DIY approach. The most obvious attraction is, of course, potential cost savings on professional fees. And some people also appreciate being very hands-on and directly involved in the application process. Look, if your case is genuinely straightforward, perhaps you've been married or living together for many years, you have a mountain of obvious and well-organized evidence across all four pillars, no previous visa refusals or cancellations, no health or character concerns, then yes, managing it yourself is possible. But what are the potential downsides or risks? And this is where you need to ask yourself. First, it's incredibly time consuming. You're looking at understanding complex legal criteria, gathering a huge amount of documents, writing detailed statements, and then navigating the online IMI account portal, which can be tricky in itself. Second, the risk of mistakes. It's easy to misunderstand the requirement, miss crucial evidence, or fill out a form incorrectly. These mistakes can lead to significant delays, or in the worst case scenario, a visa refusal. Partner visa applications are high stakes, and managing the entire process yourself can be very stressful. Now let's look at the other side. What are the benefits of engaging an experienced migration lawyer? First, expertise and knowledge. This is our bread and butter. We understand the complexities of Australian migration law, which is constantly changing. We know what the department's looking for, the common mistakes, and how to present your case in the strongest possible light. Second, strategic advice. A good lawyer won't just fill in forms. We'll provide a tailored strategy for your specific circumstances, especially if your case has any complexities. Third, thorough preparation and accuracy. We ensure your application's complete, accurate, and that all necessary evidence is included and presented correctly. This significantly minimizes the risk of errors and delays. Fourth, managing communication. We handle communication with the Department of Home Affairs on your behalf, which can save you a lot of time and anxiety. Fifth, handling complexities. If issues do arise, like a request for further information, an RFI, we know how to respond effectively and within deadlines. For more complex issues like health waivers or character concerns, our expertise is invaluable. And lastly, peace of mind. Knowing your application is being handled by a professional who understands the system can provide immense peace of mind during what is already an emotional time. While anyone can benefit from professional help, there are certain situations where I would strongly recommend engaging a migration lawyer. First, if you have any previous visa refusals or cancellations. Second, if there are any health or character concerns for either the applicant or the sponsor. Third, if your relationship history is complex, perhaps you've had periods of separation or you're applying while still legally married to someone else, as we've discussed in other case studies. Fourth, if you're facing Schedule 3 criteria for an onshore application, or simply if you feel overwhelmed by the process or unsure about any aspects of your application. These are all big red flags indicating that DIY might be too risky. Ultimately, the decision to DIY or hire a lawyer is a personal one. It's about weighing the potential cost savings of DIY against the significant time investment, the stress, and the risk of things going wrong. And then comparing that to the investment in professional fees for expertise, guidance, and peace of mind. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. The partner visa journey is a significant one with your future life in Australia at stake. Making sure the application is done right the first time is so important. If you've listened to this and you're thinking about that professional guidance might be the way to go for you, or even if you're still on the fence and just want to discuss your specific situation to get a better idea of the complexities involved, we're here to help you. That's why we offer a complimentary initial discussion here at Flow Migration Law. It's an opportunity for you to ask some of those initial questions, for us to understand your basic situation, and to see if our services would be a good fit for you. So, if you would like to take the next step and book your free consultation, please visit our website The details are, as always, in the description box below. And of course, if this video has helped you clarify your thoughts on the important decision, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical Australian immigration tips. Thanks for watching. I look forward to potentially speaking with you soon, and I'll see you in the next video.